Munoz. Hello, my name is Diego Munoz, and this is my opinion about the interest in technology in society and his effects in the resource. Um, I think the technology is being my used by companies since they only think about exploiting natural resource, mm, which has caused a great weakening of the environment. In addition to that, the waste mm, are very much the waste is money. I believe that the solution to this problem is that we all become aware of the great damage that we are causing to our world, and that is will affect future generations. Technology must be used to 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 improve our life, o sea, to save our life and not to destroy it. Um, I consider the global warming to be a very sensitive and important issue for humanity. Mm, if we current productions and consumption trends continue, we would be facing a big crisis, a, mm, a crisis without precedents. Mm, uh, Environment pollution will exacerbate other problems of society, such as poverty, violence, etc. Mm, Land degradation is increasing, and this will be a serious problem. To solve the problem of the economic crisis, the intervention of all the governments are necessary. Mm, Technology must be for the benefit of human mm, beings and environment. I recommended that the community organize itself and ask for help to the government and the United Nations. Each of us must be responsible for our actions and think about the future of our world and ourselves. Thank you.